Hello everyone, I'm Heather Fleming, founder of Conscious Nutrition, and I'm delighted to be here at the Superfood Garden Summit and share with you some wonderful smoothie ideas that you can grab a couple of the ingredients from your garden and get the freshness and nurture yourself in the moment. I am a certified clinical nutritionist. However, I'm also an emotional eater. I crave sweet, I crave creamy texture, I crave salty, which is amazing for us to be in tune with because all of those cravings are linked to our organs, right? So sweet can actually help calm our nervous system. Salty can help with our kidneys and with our hydration and extra minerals. So I'm super excited to share my two favorite smoothie recipes with you. Both of them are a little sweet. We are in summer. One's more summery and the other one's a little more fall. But I had to share both of them. I'm gonna do the first one, which is the reset smoothie for you first. So I used to have a 3-week program where we tried to cleanse and everything, but now I believe we can do little things all throughout the day instead of these extreme programs. But please, whatever works for you, but I do call it reset. And we just had the 4th of July weekend and I may have had some extra foods. So I definitely would love this reset smoothie to help me feel balanced and go back to homeostasis. When we eat something sweet, like sugar, like oversweetened, or have like extra processed foods during, celebrating and holidays and such, our body can crave sugar for up to 72 hours. So it takes a while for our blood sugar to balance. So I'm not a fan of all or none or extreme, but more gentle. So I call it sugar weaning. And both of these would actually be the really great protein shakes to have with something like that too. I also have other recipes for a little bit of more salty, savory ones, or you can tweak them for your own taste buds. Because remember, your taste buds are linked to your organs. What? Our bodies are so smart, and all we need to do is add more nourishment. So I'm not a fan of restriction or deprivation. Actually, most of my clients are malnourished. So these two smoothie options have tons of nourishment and packed nourishment. All right, so I'm gonna do the first one, which is the reset. You can either do bananas or dates. You know what, I'm gonna do 1 banana and 1 date for this one. So you can do them frozen. I didn't have any frozen, I just went to the store yesterday, but you can do them frozen. I have some little bit of ice here. I personally don't like my smoothies super cold. I like them a little bit more cool. But again, preference. Some philosophies believe that we do better at room temperature things than too cold of things. So too cold, foods that are too cold. So just play with it. I'm not an all or noneer. So let's do banana, and then one of the dates, I took the pit out of the date here, and half of an apple, a lime. I took the peeling off the lime. I kept the peel on the apple though. I like the peel on the apple. And then some ginger. I'm craving lots of ginger today. So little secret here is take the spoon and peel off the outside here. Ginger would be a great thing to plant in your garden. And the other one is mint. So we have a mint plant here. Put it out in the garden, or I'm keeping them right here doing some videos. So we have basil and mint in here. All right. So I'm gonna cut my ginger quick too. So cut my ginger. And, oops, I forgot some of the apple. And then the mint. Oh my goodness. I swear that my favorite's the lime, the mint, and the apple. Well, all of it actually is my favorite. Okay, let's do that. A couple more pieces here. And then I was gonna try to get Swiss chard, but I wasn't liking any of the Swiss chard. So this is some baby kale here too. And I'm a little bit of a nomad. So I personally don't have a garden yet. I'm a traveling digital nomad, but I'm a huge fan of co-ops and farmers markets. So I actually just got here to Nebraska and I already located the farm that I want to get my CSA box to. So doing the best you can. I can't wait when I do settle to have a garden. That's number 1, and number 2 is a tea set as a nomad. And then I was just wanting to do, you could do coconut water or any nut milk. So when I say nut milks, I think of almond, coconut milk, right? So those are some fun ones to play. And then this one just looked really good to me because it's been pretty hot here. So I'm gonna put about half, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna do all of it. This is my lunch actually too. All right, And let's see, what am I, oh, hemp seeds. If you want a little bit of protein, you can do some other nuts too, if you're craving some other nuts, or you can hold it. You could try, if you're a protein powder person, you could try that. I'm just practicing more whole foods, just because of certain ingredients and things, and all artificial ingredients. So these are just hemp seeds here. And I believe about a teaspoon has about 5 to 10 grams of protein. And then a few little bits of ice. Double checking all my, if I remembered everything. I usually forget one thing. You know what, cucumber's really good in here, but the cucumber didn't look that good. So cucumber's really good in here too, all right? And sometimes I see my clients make it too complicated. This one is a little complicated, but the freshness and the different flavor palettes, I really think help balance this out. So we got the sweet, we have a little bit of the ginger with the spicy. Yeah, so play around and don't overcomplicate them. So keep them as simple as you can too, that when they support you, as long as they support you. Save you guys on some blender time, because I'll clean the blender and then do video number 2 with the pumpkin. All right, let's do a little sip here, see how I did. Oh my gosh, a dream come true. I probably add a little bit more ice and water to thin it out just a teeny bit, and then obviously blend it more, but I was just saving your ears on the blender. All right, well, welcome to the Superfood Garden Summit. I'm Heather Fleming, founder of Conscious Nutrition. You can find me on Instagram, Nourish with Heather, or on Facebook, Conscious Nutrition. So I'm here just to spread more cheer, nourishment, and connection. And so we don't feel always behind our body. Instead, we feel nourished and supported. So let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.